Today's connected world requires. A great copier is only good when it works. When it doesn't, call an OPI's team of 8 factory-trained service techs to quickly fix your copier or network. Let Office Products Incorporated be your business source in Great Bend, Larned, Russell, and Ames.
Experience great history.
Under faith in institutions quite so much as them failing catastrophically.
The Farm Progress Show.
Farm Credit Illinois President and CEO Aaron Johnson tells Brownfield good commodity prices and overall
They're the most exciting.
With all of the other Joe Biden.
Your Visa virtual account after.
The soybean checkoff. Progress powered by Kansas Farm.
Situation. I mean, these polls right now for Joe Biden, you know, and again,
To see that when you crank it through your calculator, giving it's a lifestyle issue, and
everyone.
Give you the information that you need and the forms, and well, I think even this year we've gone to a
financial analyst, a person who studies DNA, a geneticist, a person who owns their own business, an up to date, a software technician, someone who does business internationally, a global trader.
Megakagi.
And now, lend us your ears for an update from Nebraska Corn.
Dollars. As always, KRVN and the Nebraska Lottery urge you to play responsibly. Don't forget, tonight we have UNK football kicking off a brand new season over on 93.1 The River and on 106.9 FM in the Kearney area. Jason Jorgensen and Larry Cotner will have the call from Ron and Carroll Cope Stadium and Kearney as they'll host Missouri Southern. Kickoff is at 7